Continuing the tradition of built to last, Clark announces our new WPL40 electric pallet jack. Designed for loads in tight spaces, the WPL40 delivers what operators need most. First, high maneuverability. Pinwheeling loads with the handle fully upright, you get in and out of close-in spaces using a tighter turn radius. Second, it's strong. With a lifting capacity of 4,000 pounds and a rugged design, the WPL40 easily grabs, lifts, and moves the heaviest of loads. Third, it's lithium-ion dependable. On-demand lithium power keeps the WPL40 running and maintenance-free during extended periods of work. This new WPL40 is the solution you've been looking for. For more information, contact your authorized Clark dealership or visit clarkmhc.com/WPL40info.